Hi everyone, it's Lynn Como, and I'm here today to show you our newest promotion. It's the little things. So you're shopping with me, lynncomo.closetomyheart.com, and underneath promotions, let's go check out the little things and what it has to offer. This is such an adorable scrapbooking, card making, and a bundle kit that you will be so surprised at what you can do. The best part is that you will be saving 20% on the bundle. So whether you're a scrapbooker or a card maker, or you like to do all of the paper crafts, we have a bundle for you. And there's also a 6x6 mini album. So what I wanted to show you is right here on this page. First of all, way at the top, you can click on any one of these blue links and it will take you to the guide for the scrapbooking workshop, the card making workshop, or the mini album. So it will all be there for you. That's downloadable as a PDF that you can save to your device. The first row is really the best deal whatsoever because each one of these bundles is at least a 20% savings. So when you click on each bundle, you're going to see what comes in each one, as well as additional items that might be needed for you to complete the artwork. Now, what I wanted to let you know is there's a scrapbooking, a card making, the mini album, and then for those of you who love to paper craft, this is the one that you want right here, the bundle that has it all, that will do all three of these workshops. So think about that. Now, for those of you who want to be selective and maybe pick one of those and then add on product a la carte, here you have it. You have the scrapbook stamp set, the card making stamp set, the mini album stamp set. I highly recommend buying another pack of these are 6x6 papers. These are not 12x12, but they are 6x6 and they are super, super cute. So in my book, just put another one in the cart. The stickers are totally adorable. So you have the scrapbooking stickers, card making, then you have the die cuts. I definitely, if you're a scrapbooker, definitely want to get an extra pack of these die cuts. Let's just show you the die cuts for a minute there. They're black paper die cuts, and they have a nice thickness to them, but not too thick. And look at these great titles: Shine Bright, The Good Life, Enjoy the Little Moments. The flowers, the butterflies, and the arrows, these are things that you can use any time of the year in your scrapbooking. So I definitely recommend an extra set of that. And then for those of you who do card making, but maybe you want to make some birthday layouts, these are really cute too. These are the little card making stamp set. Sorry, not stamp set. This is the die cuts, and it also has some white in here as well, some acrylic shapes. So think about the opportunity of how you can use these beyond just cards. And they're only $7.95, so it's a really nice deal. Then you have the little albums mini die cuts. So check out the product here, and it's only $4.95. So if you like adding little accessories to your pages and your cards, this is something to definitely put in your craft box, right? All right, going back up here, let me just scroll so you can see the scrapbook workshop. I'm actually making my own workshop kit. But you can see here you have the 6x6 papers, all the white daisy cardstock. You have some black cardstock, the scrapbooking stickers that I showed you, the scrapbooking die cuts, and the scrapbooking stamp set. When you actually click on the photo, you can hit the arrow, and it's going to show you the the artwork that you would receive for the Close to My Heart PDF file for scrapbooking. So you can make all of these pages. Aren't they beautiful? Wanted to let you know, Pamela, she's the one that created the artwork, and she did a great job. I love this layout, and I'm actually using this and created a corresponding page. So cute, of a fun way to use 6x6 papers to create 12x12 layouts. These are all 12x12 pages using the 6x6 papers in the kit. How fun, right? So that's the scrapbooking kit. And I just wanted to point out, when you look through it, There's also additional supplies needed, and many of you already have a lot of these supplies, so you should just check it out if this is something you're interested in. Here's the card making. Once again, you get all of the 6x6 paper. There's a glitter sheet, black cardstock. Now you have the card making stickers, the card making die cuts, and the card making stamp set. So let's check out the 18 standard size cards that you can create. So these are all inside the PDF for the card making workshop. So you can create this artwork just by using that guide. Aren't these pretty? So if you love to send cards and you like to have cards that are for any time of the year, birthday, thinking of you, thank you, this is just a great card kit that you can use anytime. Happily ever after, cute wedding card, birthday. So you get the idea. So there's 18 cards. Now let's look at the mini album workshop kit. Once again, the 6x6, white daisy, black paper. The scrapbooking stickers are here. The die cuts for the mini album, 6x6 protectors, and then the stamp set as well. Now my friend Brenda created this, and she did such a great job. She created a 6x6 mini album, and that PDF will show you how to duplicate it just as you see here and add your own photos. Aren't these beautiful? I think she did a great job showcasing the artwork and photos that you can use for everyday life and make it your own. Aren't they really pretty? So if you like to do mini albums, that's for you. And remember, for those of you who love it, crafting, and want to do it all, excuse me, you can get the whole bundle to do all 3 workshops for $121.95, savings of $40. So that's definitely something to consider if you are a paper crafter and want all of them, and it shows you right here that includes all 3. All right. Well, I hope you found this really helpful, and I can't wait to share the artwork that I've created with It's the Little Things for scrapbooking 12 by 12 pages with the scrapbooking workshop kit that you see here and a few other products.